There are many options when you're looking to convert your iPhone as a webcam to your computer for the Zoom calls or team calls or any. I've tried several softwares. I have tested it. There are free versions, and I'm kind of disappointed with that. There is one software which is the free version of which is allows it to convert as a webcam, wireless webcam, is Epocam, and I think it works. The free version works really well. I wanted a little bit more, so I went ahead and bought the pro version of the app, which cost me $7.99. Pretty good, pretty decent. I really like the features I got from it. So I just want to show you guys how it works. So here's the website for Epocam. You can come down and you can see that it supports all these softwares here. It supports OBS, Teams, Zooms, and all kind of. It basically converts your iPhone camera into a webcam. Now let's go down, and here you go, and first you download this app. Then I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows setup. So this app cost, as I said, $7.99. There is a free version for that, which has only Wi-Fi connection, and I think that's perfectly okay. If I'm just using it as a webcam for the laptop, I think it works just fine when you're looking for a free software without any fuss. This is the free version. You can download it, this one, and you can test it out if you really like the product. I wanted to use it for some other features, which are like top of the line quality, as well as the USB connection to uh, my laptop. So I'm not relying on the wireless connection, which means the better frame rates and better quality. That's what I wanted it. So that's where you pay for the pro product. And at the same time, there's another page, Epocam. You go down here, and this is the Epocam driver you have to install on your laptop. Now, if you just want the free edition, this is it. This is all you need to do. When you install it, there won't be an interface or anything. It will just install it as a driver. It will show up as a webcam in your system. So when you're using any of the Zoom or Teams, or for example, the camera app, in this case, this is the camera app, it will show up as one of the options. So you can click here, this change camera app, and you can see what all cameras you have on the system. Now, the best part of this product is not only is independent, but it allows you to make a lot of changes on the iPhone to provide you some of the controls, right? And Pro version gives you much more control than obviously the free edition. For USB edition, that one extra requirement is you have to install iTunes prior to that, because there's a software drivers which needed for this to work. So here you are seeing my iPhone screen. Here is the Epocam Pro app, which I'll be starting now. Immediately can see that connected via USB. This message shows up, which means it's one of the better quality. We can start a camera app, which comes with Windows 10 by default, and you can see me right here. And when I'm moving, you can see that the gap is pretty good. It's literally doing everything, right? So my hand will show up within a second. So frame rates and the quality is really well. Here you can see we connected through USB and we picked the best quality. The camera sees this is the same way Zoom will be see it. Now another feature which really I like is that if you click on this button, this one, you can see that I can blur the background. So I'm going to click this place and this change the background, and now the background is blurred. When I'm blurring the background here, you can see that our webcam camera can automatically see that background is blurred. And let me use the next option, which is for green screen, and I just did that, and you can see that our camera is also seeing a green screen coming up. So this is one of the best features of this product. Given that I have tested at least 6, 7, 8 different options available, and to mirror your screen and mirror your camera on that iPhone as a webcam, I think Epocam beats everything. For the price, there's another software which is basically better. We charge you monthly subscription, which makes no sense to me. This is $7.99, and the free version is definitely much better. If you're just looking to get it done and just looking for a webcam, vanilla webcam, you don't want anything special in that, then this feature is gonna just do just fine. So now with that, there is a couple other features available here. So this is the button, the camera button you have, which you click, it will get you the back side camera. This is how I'm looking on the camera, and this is pretty good. And the same blur feature also works here. As you can see that now background is blur. And this is how you can use Epocam as a webcam software. Just use the free version and test it out. I'm sure you'll like it. And if you like it, go ahead and buy it. This is like a one-time buy, which you can use it for any of your laptops, any of your cameras, the Mac computer. There's one thing where it doesn't work is the Android. As of now, Epocam do not support Android. So another good part of Epocam is that you can use the camera as well as the microphone coming from iPhone. So your laptop may not have a good microphone capability, and yet you can still use it, right? So the way it works is that the way you can use it is that you can use the iPhone microphone as well to it, right? So if in this case, if I click on this microphone button, the volume will be muted in this case. But as you can see, if I go to my computer, and you can see that, see, all the recording is happening and the volume is working because I'm using the laptop mic to record this particular video, not the iPhone mic. But the way I can change is that I can go to the settings, go to audio, and on this option, I can pick the webcam camera audio. In this case, the audio is coming right from the iPhone, and you can mute it on your phone. Quality would be much better than you'll be getting on your laptop for sure. Another way, typically the way people can set it up for those who are not using webcam is that if you right click on this, go to sound, go to recording, and now you can see that my Epocam has become a microphone. So default communication device, this is default device. You can right click. Once you install Epocam, this will become your default communication device. So technically you don't have to change. In my case, I do change it sometimes. So that's how it's looking like that. By default, it will be using the iPhone microphone when you don't have it. And that's the best part. But here you can come and you can change the behavior accordingly there. So check it out if you're looking to do Android. There's another software called DroidCam, which does that, kind of does that. Leave the comments. Let me know if you have any questions, any doubts about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and note down.